Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And I'm making this one real quick just to show y'all an easy way how to click hyperlinks on Instagram, TikTok, or any social media or website that doesn't allow you to long press that link. Now, if you already know how to do this, disregard this video. But let me give y'all a backstory on why I'm making this. I'm in the process right now of being cursed out and clowned on a JBL Instagram post. Now, the post is about the JBL Party Box 1000 and the Party Box Ultimate. Which one is better? Now, if y'all watch my channel, y'all know I got all of these JBL speakers. I consider myself a speakerologist. So I left my little 2 cents. I said, I think the Party Box Ultimate is better. Now, we going back and forth in the comments. It starts to get a little bit nasty. And somebody left a comment, and I'm going to use my hater voice. And they was like, whoa, if you're so fucking smart and you got your little YouTube channel, why don't you make a video showing us the truth? Or shut the fuck up. So I said, listen, fuckface, I already did that. And I posted that video right in the comments. The very next comment was, oh, you got a YouTube channel, you're too fucking stupid to know that you can't post hyperlinks on Instagram? Ha ha ha, what a dumbass. Then the comment after that was, LOL, he's so fucking stupid. LOL, what an idiot. LOL, oh, you don't even know how to use the phone. And I'm saying to myself, hold on a second. You mean to tell me in 2024, everybody's walking around with these $1,000 phones and you don't know how to extract a video from an Instagram post? Nah, that can't be true. That can't be true. So I said, let me hit Amaya real quick. Now, Amaya and her friends, they live on TikTok. They share videos all day and night. I said, Amaya, if I left a video under one of your posts, how would you see it? And she said, I can't open it. It would just pop up like a comment. So I said, oh shit, even Amaya don't know how to do that? I said, well, how would you do it? And she said, I would just DM the person or put the link in my bio. Now I'm saying to myself, if I'm in a comment thread and the thread has 300 comments, I'm not DMing 300 people. I'm not changing my bio for one comment. Listen, there's a simple way to extract that link. Now, this is going to work on Instagram, TikTok, and any website. This is all you got to do. Now, I'm not going to go to that exact post, okay, because I'm about to cook these motherfuckers up in a minute. I left that same video under one of my own pictures. This is what you got to do. And on a side note, this is going to help you if you don't know how to do this, because if you follow a lot of these gossip websites like the Shade Room or Baller Alert, you know, Hollywood Unlocked, anytime there's a video and somebody's like, yo, I got the leaked video with all of the salacious details, it's going to come up like this. It's going to be just like this. Now, if you notice, you can't long press and copy that. All you got to do is take a screenshot. Boom, just like that. Now you're going to exit out. Then you're going to go to your gallery, okay? And it's going to come up like this. Then you hit that button right there. It's going to bring up the text. And all you got to do is click on the link. It's just that simple. Now, this works on Android phones also. Okay, I'm going to go to that same picture. Okay. You go to comments. Now, again, this helps me because when I post a picture, somebody's going to leave a comment like, oh, Floss, you need to check out these headphones. You need to check out this other phone. And if it's something that I already did, I'm just going to leave that video right underneath your comment so everybody else can enjoy it too. So this is what you got to do. Take that screenshot. Okay. Then we're going to exit out. Now we're going to go over the photos. Okay. We're going to see that photo. Now, if you got a Galaxy S24 Ultra with an S Pen, it's even easier. You're just going to click on this, like that. And if you notice, a little YouTube icon pops up. You click on open.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Flossy.
And there it is.
Back again with another
It's
video.
really that simple. Okay, so I hope this video helps some of y'all out. And to all you fucking banana heads on that JBL post, as Cartman from South Park would say, kiss my black ass. Anyway, one more thing. Ladies and gentlemen, late but still great, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my
calm down. Nevertheless, like I said in my Galaxy S24 Ultra video, don't be walking around with a $1,300 phone and not knowing how to use it, okay? Play with your phone. Go to YouTube, watch some tips and tricks videos, learn all of the features of your phone. You paid for it. You might as well learn how to use it. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know if this helps somebody out. I know for a fact it's going to help Amaya out, and it's going to help these banana heads in that JBL post out. And let me know what y'all think.